The Ultra Containment Berm foam wall model is a portable containment unit to help capture leaks, drips, and spills and prevent them from polluting and contaminating the environment. The low-profile design is perfect for equipment maintenance and portable drum containment. The Ultra Containment Berm foam wall model is extremely easy to use. Once you unroll it and lay it out on site, you are ready to go. No further setup required, no assembly necessary. Heavy-duty blocks of foam are completely encased in the sidewalls, ensuring there is no exposure to fuel or any other chemicals. It also means that there is nothing to lose. No foam to misplace, no supports to forget. Soft foam sidewalls easily compress for convenient loading and offloading. Low 2-inch or 4-inch sidewalls contain spills and keep plant floors and soil free from contamination. Built-in handles help position the berm and move it to another location. Ultra Containment berms help comply with EPA Container Storage Regulation 40 CFR 264.175 and SPCC requirements. They are available in many standard sizes. Custom sizes are also available. For more information on this